Hello, welcome to Defence IQ. I'm here to talk to you today about the Defence Industry Bulletin. So what is it? The Defence Industry Bulletin is the publication for the defence professional, and it provides you with the latest market intelligence and defence industry news. With contributions from the world's leading defence journalists, we cover all aspects of defence, and this is categorised into the land, sea and air sections. All Defence IQ conference delegates gain access to the Defence Industry Bulletin, so be sure to keep an eye out for it for market news, analysis and opinion straight to your inbox once per quarter. If you're not currently a delegate, but you don't want to miss out, get in touch by clicking on the link below. So why do you actually need the Defence Industry Bulletin? This quarterly magazine offers exclusive insight into priority defence programmes and upcoming contracts. Plus, we give you first-hand looks at the latest defence tech and platforms on the market. In addition, every issue features first-hand insight and interviews with heavyweight military officials and CEOs. Do you want to learn more about the Defence Industry Bulletin, managing your subscription, sponsorship, or even contributing as a journalist? Click on the link below to find out more.